how to solve the problem of Android phone that touches itself. I keep on typing letters by itself and operating itself. So this is LCD of Android phone, and this IC is exposed. This IC is supposed to be covered, so I'm going to use a cell tape to cover it. Some people call it sellotape. Preferably black tape, but what I have here is white. So I have to cover this so that this IC will not short circuit with the arts of the phone. So I have to cover it. The same way any LCD that is hot or have a light issue, that's how to fix it.